Dear students, now we discuss the other very important aspect relating to accounting of this lesson, that what is the need for accounting or why accounting is required. A very important question, that whatever the activities are done, they are required to be done for certain purpose or objective. And you all know that necessity is the mother of invention. Now, whenever there is certain problems, certain new inventions undertaken. So again here, this type of a very important question to be answered, that what is the need for accounting, why accounting is required. Now, we get the answer of this important variable on the basis of the following questions. What type of the questions are answered here? That am I making or losing money from my business? A very important question which is required to be answered. How much am I worth? Am I worth means the worth of or value of my business. Worth here means value of my business. Should I put more money in my business or sell it and go into another business? It is also a very important question, that whether I should make the more investment in my business or it is not profitable, then I will sell it, or if I had the another lucrative business where more returns is there, I can get into that another business. Another question, how much is owed to me and how much do I owe? What it means, that मुझे कितना पैसा देना है और कितना पैसा मुझे लेना है. आसान सा क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच इज ओड टू मी, मुझे कितना पैसा देना है, एंड हाउ मच डू आई ओ, मुझे कितना देना है, कितना मैंने लेना है, कितना मैंने देना है. ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टू बी आंसर्ड. हाउ कैन आई चेंज द वे आई ऑपरेट टू माई मेक मोर प्रॉफिट. मैं अपने बिजनेस में क्या चेंजेस ला सकता हूँ so that I could have the more profits. Apart from these questions, there are another number of questions which are very important and required to be answered. Accounting is that concept which answer to all these questions. Another important fact you understand, most of you may say that nowadays number of technical softwares are available which automatically does the total accounting work. For example, there is Tally, there is Business Pro, there are so many other softwares are there. But what is the need for learning of accounting, or what is the need for accounting? Dear students, please understand, whatever the software is there, whatever the functions performed by the software, they are performed on the basis of the programs or the commands or the instructions which are given to them. Unless and until you does not know the basic accounting principles, rules and regulations, you also not in position to operate successfully that software. So there is the need for accounting and we have to understand the concept. So this way we understand and answer so many questions with the help of the accounting. Now we will discuss another very important questions relating to this aspect, that accounting is important to whom. This question may also be asked to you in another way, that what are the parties who are interested in the accounting informations, or who are the major users of the accounting information. Please understand, there are various parties whose interest is associated with the business. We practically understand that apart from the owner of the organization, apart from the owner of the business, there are so many other parties or groups whose interests are associated with our business. For example, employees are there, management is there, financial institutions is there, society is there, scholars are there, research institutes are there, government is there, law abiding agencies are there. So there are so many groups or parties who are interested in our business performance. So we would answer this question, accounting is important to whom, or who are the parties who are interested in our business, or who are the users who make the very effective use of the accounting information. as I share with you that owners is very important party who is interested for the accounting information. Why they are interested? Owners provide funds or capital for the organization. They invest in the business. They possess curiosity in knowing whether the business is being conducted on sound lines or not, and whether the capital is being employed properly or not. जब आप अपना बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं या एक रनिंग बिजनेस को कंटिन्यू करते हैं, you should make certain investment in that, in terms of the money, in terms of the asset. Definitely, you must know that your investment must be safe and it is to be properly invested, and also whatever the return is there, whether they are on the proper lines or not. So, owners being businessmen always keep an eye on the returns from the investment कि जो उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया है बिजनेस में उससे उसका रिटर्न को मिल रहा है कि नहीं, और मिलने के बाद अगेन comparing the accounts of various years helps in getting good pieces of information. बहुत सारी statements के through they can compare to the previous performance, they compare with the other firms, they compare with the industry and with the other important organizations. So owners are the very important party who are interested in the accounting information. For what they are interested, I already shared with you. Which is the second party? Management. Who is management? Management is that party who manages the affairs of an organization. मैनेजमेंट वो पार्टी होती है जो कि बिजनेस के जितने भी एक्टिविटीज हैं उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल और मैनेज करती है. मैनेज करने में दे हैव टू मेक द प्लानिंग, दे हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज द रिसोर्सेज, दे हैव टू रिक्रूट द स्टाफ, they have to effectively control all the activities. So for that, what they are needed? They need the information. And who provides this information? This information is provided by the accounting to the management, and on the basis of that, management takes the very authentic, very effective and efficient decisions. Now, apart from owners and management, who other party is interested in the accounting information? Employees. Think over why they are interested. Employees, they are interested in every business and its information for two reasons. One reason is there that their job is there because they are earning and employed in that organization. And secondly, they are interested in the payment of their wages, bonus, allowances and compensation. They are also interested in the accounting information for purpose of increase in their wages, increase in their salaries, increase in their allowances, betterment of the working condition. Employees are very much interested because payment of bonus depends upon the size of profit earned by the firm. The more important point is that the workers expect regular income for the bread. The demand for wage rise, bonus, better working condition, that completely depend upon the profitability of the firm. अगर एक firm बहुत ज़्यादा profit earn कर रही है regularly, so automatically employees also expect that they should also be given a share of that. And if it is not performing well, so automatically they are not in position to demand or agitate that the increase should be given to them. But this total to be calculated from where? This total is to be calculated on the basis of the information given under accounting. Then, who is the other party? Investors. Investors, they are also very much interested. Why the investors they are interested? Because their money or capital had been invested in the business. They want the security of their investment as well as proper return of their investment. Investors, they are interested in two important things. Which two things? One, that safety of their investment, and second, to the good or the optimum return on their investment. Then, apart from investor, which other party is interested in the accounting information? Government. Why government is interested? Because government has to frame various policies. Government has to give the grants and the subsidies. Government has to impose the taxes. Government has to frame various policies. So government keeps a close watch on the firms which yield good amount of profits. The state and central governments are interested in the financial statements to know the earnings for the purpose of taxation, because taxes is imposed on what? On the incomes, on the productions, like that. So accounting provides the data to the government, and on the basis of that data, government frames the policies and charges the amount of tax and the other various types of the duties. So government is the other important party who is interested for the accounting information. Then consumers. Why consumers they are interested? In order to get the best quality of goods at the cheaper prices. आपने मार्केट में हर कस्टमर की जर्नल एक स्टेटमेंट सुनी होगी, वो सभी यही कहते हैं कि अच्छी चीज दें और चीपर रेट पर दें. तो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? It is possible when all the resources are managed in a very optimum way. So consumers are also interested in the performance of the business through the information given through the accounting. These groups are interested in getting the goods at a reduced price. Therefore, they wish to know the establishment of a proper accounting control, which in turn will reduce to cost of production. When cost of production reduced, automatically the buyer, the consumers, they are benefited, provided that the management is not interested or not involved in minting of the profits. So consumers, they are also very much interested. Research scholars, they are very much interested in the accounting information. Why? Because they have to see that which particular sector, which particular department is engaged in which type of the activity and what is the trend in that. Because accounting information, being a mirror of the financial performance of a business organization, is of immense value to the research scholars who wants to make a study into the financial operations of a particular firm. As such study needs detailed accounting information relating to various aspects of the business, that is purchases, sales, expenses, cost of material use, and so many other variables. So research scholars, they are also interested in the accounting information. So you had noticed that there are number of parties, number of groups who uses the accounting information in a very authentic way. There is another group who is also very much interested, that is the creditors. Creditors are those parties who have to take the money from the business. So they definitely interested relating to the financial performance of the organization through accounting information, that whether business is in position to make payments of their long-term dues as well as the short-term dues. So this way you definitely now understood so many parties are there who are interested in the accounting information. I would continue in my next video to the another part of the lesson, that is various branches of the accounting. I hope you must go through to all these informations and understand in a very concrete way.